Sumi Sharma is here, and today in this video I will tell you about how you can use split screen feature, and this feature will only work on Android and it will not work in iOS devices. So first, your device should have 7.0.02 higher Android version. If you do not have that, it will not work in your device. So let's jump into it, how it works.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high?
So first, open your settings and click on advanced feature. Now select multi-window, and here you can see split screen view actions and pop-up view action. If you have Samsung device, so you can use pop-up view action, and it will not in another devices. It will have in Vivo and I think not in Oppo, and Samsung device provided great. You can see that by corner I can adjust the window size. Okay, so that's it work. And for split screen action, just click on it and press recount icon on your mobile, and it will open. Now you can open another application that you want to make use with it. So I will open Google. So guys, you can see I can use both of application now. So guys, that's for this video, and if you like this video then click on thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next one.